wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best guitar humidifiers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the Kyser Acoustic KYS 6707, which completely covers the sound hole, will protect your investment no matter the climate. When the air is dry, fill and install for evaporation. If the air is already wet, it can absorb some of that unwanted moisture. It distributes humidity uniformly and is available for classical bodies. However, it can emit an unpleasant smell. At number 7, avoid clips and fasteners that can damage your instrument with the Planet Waves D'Addario Acoustic GH, which has a durable non-drip sponge for easy care. Simply wet it with distilled water, put it in the black case, and insert the unit between the strings. It offers a slow moisture release and comes from a brand that musicians trust, but it dries out very quickly. Coming in at number 6 on our list. Instead of constantly adjusting a unit's wetness, you might let the technology behind the Boveda 49% RH two-way take control. The packs will hold the humidity in your case at 45 to 55%. When they become rigid, usually after 2 to 5 months, simply replace. This is an American-made product with a 2-year shelf life. However, you must purchase holders separately. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for guitar humidifiers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Humistat Adjustable Hygrometer Kit is a simple and effective option. After filling the unit, simply turn the dial on the side to change the amount of humidification. Then place both it and the hygrometer in your case at any orientation. It can be used with other instruments too and won't cause water stains, but it does require monitoring for best results. Halfway up our list at number 4. For musicians in particularly arid climates, there's the Oasis OH5 Plus. Unlike many others, it's filled with the company's Humigel crystals, which are designed to guard against leaks. It'll let you know when it's time to refill it too, as it will shrivel up. It doesn't touch the instrument's body and is excellent for winter use. However, the filling must be replaced yearly. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, you can measure and moisten the air in your instrument sound hole with the simple Oasis HH Combo OH30. The top is a hygrometer which will also sense the temperature, while the bottom compartment hangs down between the strings with a sponge. It's easy to recalibrate and the settings are adjustable. It can be left alone for 15 days. At number 2, you'll find everything you need to get started with the Planet Waves D'Addario two-way system, including a double-sealed sound hole pouch and 3 humidipacks. These two-way pieces absorb and emit humidity as necessary and won't leak like conventional products. It won't harm an instrument's finish, and replacement packs are readily available. It requires no seasonal adjustments. And taking the top spot on our list, take the guesswork out of humidifying with the Music Nomad MN306 Care Pack. Both the sponge holder and the hygrometer hang from the strings, targeting the sound hole and ensuring that you always get the most beneficial environment. It can display the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius and records maximum and minimum ranges. It holds water without dripping. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for guitar humidifiers, or simply click beneath this video.